Hello, today we will learn all about Mujhe. Hello everyone, this is Sara from Learn Urdu with Sara. On this channel, I teach you Urdu with grammar, phrases, songs, movies, Urdu adab, etc. A lot of people get really confused about Mujhe and Mujhko or Mereko or Main. I know it's so confusing and very overwhelming, especially when you're learning a very different language that you haven't learned before. Urdu is quite different compared to English or, let's say, a lot of European languages. So I can understand. And today I will teach you 10 different ways to use mujhe, 10 different sentences. So basically, मैं is I. It is a subject case. मैं. मुझे or मुझको or मेरे को are all object cases. They all mean the same thing, which is to me or me. Mujhe is a bit more educated, and mujhko is also the same thing. Mujhe and mujhko means to me or me. Then mere ko is something probably you've heard in Bollywood movies. Mere ko kya hai? Mere ko kya masla hai? Something like that. And it's not used that much. It's something that's not very colloquial in Pakistan. So you can use mujhe or mujhko, to me or by me or me. So let's begin with the sentences. The first one is mujhe pasand hai. Mujhe pasand hai, which means I like. Mujhe pasand hai. It basically means it's appealing to me. Mujhe means to me, so it's appealing to me or it's liked by me. Mujhe chai pasand hai. I like chai. Mujhe chai pasand hai. Mujhe chai nahi pasand hai. I don't like chai. मुझे चाय नहीं पसंद है. मुझे कॉफ़ी पसंद है. I like coffee. मुझे कॉफ़ी पसंद है. The second one is when it's used with abstract noun. An abstract noun is something that is not tangible, cannot be touched. So for example, a lot of body illnesses and ailments are used with mujhe. So for example, मुझे बुखार है. मुझे बुखार है. बुखार is fever. मुझे here means I have. मुझे बुखार है. I have fever. मुझे दर्द है. I have pain. Dard is something not tangible. So मुझे दर्द है. The next one is मुझे मोहब्बत है. I have love. मुझे मोहब्बत है. I love. Basically it means I love. मुझे मोहब्बत है. मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत है. I love you. मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत है. The next one is I have to do something. So मुझे जाना है. मुझे जाना है, which means I have to go. जाना is to go. मुझे here means I have to. मुझे जाना है. मुझे जाना है means I have to go. मुझे जाना है. Going has to be done by me. मुझे जाना है. मुझे जाना है. मुझे बाहर जाना है. I have to go out. मुझे बाहर जाना है. मुझे बाहर जाना है. The next one is I should. मुझे जाना चाहिए. It needs to be done by me. चाहिए means it needs to, it should be. So मुझे जाना चाहिए. I should go now. मुझे जाना चाहिए. मुझे जाना चाहिए. Again, I made some videos on this. I'll link it in the comment section or in the description box or somewhere on the screen as well. You can just click it and watch that video if you want to watch it in detail. So मुझे जाना चाहिए means I need to go. मुझे जाना चाहिए. I should go. You can also put चाहिए after a noun. For example, मुझे घर चाहिए. I need a house. So it also means I need something like a noun. मुझे घर चाहिए. I need a house. I want a house. मुझे घर चाहिए. Is it clear so far? I hope it is. You can always leave a comment if you have any confusion. I also teach on this website if you want to have a one-on-one lesson. a private lesson. The next one is मुझे भूख लग रही है. मुझे भूख लग रही है. भूख लगना is to feel hungry. The hunger is felt by me. Lagna is to feel. Hunger is felt by me. Mujhe means to me. Hunger is felt by me, or I'm feeling hungry. मुझे भूख लग रही है. मुझे भूख लग रही है. You can replace भूख with any other thing as well, any other noun. For example, मुझे प्यास लग रही है. I'm feeling thirsty. मुझे प्यास लग रही है. You can also use it to demand something, right? Like as an object case. मुझे पैसे दो. मुझे पैसे दो. Give me money. मुझे पैसे दो. Give money to me. Here we are kind of not using the subject, which is you give me money. So we are not using the word you here. You is tum or aap. But we are not using it. We are just saying give me money. Give to me money. मुझे पैसे दो. मुझे पैसे दो. The next one is really important, which is देर होना. देर होना is to be late. मुझे देर हो रही है. मुझे देर हो रही है. I'm getting late. To get late is देर होना. Or if you want to use the literal translation, it is lateness is happening to me. Hona is to happen or to be. And देर is lateness. It's a noun. So lateness is happening to me. मुझे देर हो रही है. मुझे देर हो रही है. The last one is with lagna. Lagna is to feel, or there are like 50-60 different verbs with lagna, but here it means to feel. मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm feeling good. मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. Good is felt by me. मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. So I hope that is useful. If you have learned anything and if you want to support me, you can become a patron. You can also get PDF transcripts there as well. Have a really nice day, you guys. Goodbye.